Adia say na mumuso anano efiada besi enra dodo na eboma basu say as a committee more raise bar in terms of security protocols enhancement then I walk afa
me can say as a committee me can say GFA GFA na raise bar no committee no me expect say we ever call round to all official matches. And yes, there are 200 police officers all the time. Me this everything is possible. We na me coordinate to bad no. Me bisa police form. Ba bebre na me feel say mo do so to but say those one yes say also nti find say but maybe some say mo no man no say no want to me amami no man. I can present me the list of police officers mba munya mundin I mean no man na me buy because munya say e be obi bibi na ye na so police na bet me am say we na buy we wan baby so ukai main knife issue no
yeah
many there were arguments say
about identity yeah
say na ni duty but na mo the person aka ye hu mo duty I won't say takwa su various venues no I won't say police work up me will put say the across na time now we need back back no so ehun hia say any say about 2:30 about 3 and sana police for eba and sometimes club won't say starting match and sana umuba no be one number 4 and now 3 and now 2 sometimes when you cry there's a referee who say there's much security among the match amongst sometimes intimidation no man no account na enough of station referees no ebi so among fairly said say we were mistake human error bi so I said the money it mean that me hope say with the security available referees no bet me aye match yeah more matches no yeah
obi say
of any intimidation
yeah obi say FA Cup ena yehu ye obviously in response to demands Ghana for about with regards to security we are convinced that yekoye nim no yebehu arrangement way across your Premier League need Division 1 nana.
You see a challenge to the police seriously to say my mind Njindi say police for na say but I hope say they put me to shame.
Wow, but issue we raise here no so very key. Say in moving forward no, you detail you more. We should know the identities first. Any omudodo. I say that's just 70.
That's a mistake. Because some police officers who sometimes mukauna na mabisi or various centers no so we experience about sometimes na police no better make catch referees no say na ye na nya don coffee pepe o ka sa pe who so local police officer so local police officer there no children they are telling you that they cannot protect you who say referees no be on catch you say police officer you catch you be say ye na nya don coffee in peace.
Interesting. Now let's talk about the football. Major shockers. Hazovoka out. Mediama out. Bibiani Gold Stars out. Nania former champions out. Your impressions about the outcome of the games during the weekend?
Yes, as you know, your slogan here.
Obia.
Buy FA Cup there. Usually, but although Maka previously after the ballot said, I wish I can see Archie and Kotoko in the finals. But you see, it's just a wish. really come through. So very good, sir. Matches, make sure you know. So, by your one, so now we share. So, catch you, say, we should want him any premium neighbor now. You cannot see the difference. I can say that we should want to move forward ahead in terms of tactical play, you know. Oh, you see, FA Cup there, I'm very impressed. I like the way things went, although I have my own wish.
And you can assure Ghanaians of a far better quarterfinals moving into the finals.
Yes, but quickly, say, now let's see if we can have two Division 1 teams in the finals.
Hey,
and who could that be? Because I have not played yet.
That's true.
They are going to play a Division 1 team. And I think according to the features, Kotoko will be playing away. So,
yeah.
I don't know what will happen. Yeah.
But there's a likelihood they'll bring that game to Babayara.
For why? Why would that be so? What they did for Art of Folk?
Said the
it was not the FA that allowed that. It was for security concerns. Yeah, it was for security concerns. So, and I would have wished that the match was played in another stadium which does not host Accra House of Folk. But and that will be the Oyinija, which is now being reserved for international match. So I will say that it's understandable. But what we expected didn't happen. The David that killed Goliath.
Interesting. All right. Yeah, that's it. Now, me pacho Olibaba Premier.
Very sure. Very sure of that. Yeah, be anchored that.
Chale na buto chairman. On why for no nsuro mo.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. Say, you know mo na be season last match.
Wow. Chale.
You know mo na be na me feel say time I be do any mo match no. Yaji league dada.
Na Port City for na omo contenders.
We are contenders. Some of the contenders say. But one can say who can say one feel positive feel.
I say wo Olympics. How any positive? Mumu mi ansana. Do na sim betima qualify and maybe Oko United.
Also can.
And ebe di am Olympics o.
Oh, but say the can say but this can yafa. Ebe am bia. CEO Mediama wine. So you could two bet to wine. One of the two
Park Academy.
Nobody. And that is football. To wish. And you have to work towards it. And one say Olympics, they qualify before the last match.
We wish you all the best. Thank you for talking to Max TV.
Thank you very much too.
That's Oloboi Commodore, or a chairman of Great Olympics CEO, and I was a vice chair of the MTN FA Cup committee. So, Obia, as the slogan really says.